Our world is changing. Through technology and the advancement of education, we have a growing middle class with access to information and money left over after all those bills are paid. One of the biggest lessons spreading in today's world is you can't save your way to wealth. Investment is the new buzzword for advancement today, as education was in days before. There is a barrier though, and that barrier is exposure. A lot of people with access to disposable income are the first in their families with access to this type of freedom. Private equity in the investment world is so foreign to so many people in the new upper middle class, they don't know where or how they can invest their money. Luckily, that's changing, thanks to the Blue Mahoe Capital team led by David Mullings. The world of investing is starting to look more like us and give more people the opportunity to a wealthier future.
This is about how can we transform everybody, not just the 1%, right? We want broad-based growth. That's how I was raised. So we need to go out there and visit these countries, and they need to come here. And essentially have that exchange. And I think that then gets us to be more respectful of each other's cultures and say, wow, I did not know this was happening in Jamaica or in Barbados or Trinidad or Guyana. I didn't know this was happening in Kenya or Botswana. First thing you need to do is get them to realize it's not risky. We have to change our perception. There's more capital in somebody's pocket, the average middle class person, to invest in the global south than, guess what, in America or Canada or the UK. So those are the things I look at. If you think about where the next 3 billion people are going to come from, it's Africa and Southeast Asia, some from Latin America. That's where the growth is going to come from. Culture is our biggest export, so we need to invest in music. We need to invest in film. I'm trying to build a river. It's as simple as that. I am trying to build a river and allow as many other people to come and benefit from that river.